Start main button, it means here, click here, start main button. Start, even use Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, click start main button here. Try to click here. Step number 1, clicks main, start button, start menu button. Then type CMD. CMD, it means what's a command. Type CMD, CMD, CMD. Type CMD. It means what? Start menu. Start the command button. Then you can see there command prompt. Command prompt. Click there. Command prompt. You can see here black screen. Then you can type there user. Let's enter. You cannot see anything. Let's type C. It means local drive C. Then you press enter. Then step number 3, type MSINF32. Then you press enter. You can see the system information of your computer, the system summary, hardware, resources, components, software environment. For example, you can see operating system name called Microsoft Windows 11 at home. Version of computer, version of operating system you can see here, and other operating system description you can see here. Operating system manufacturing you can see here. Then system manufacturing HP, system mode, types of system type, system processor. My computer, as you can see here, processor. It has the 12th generation Intel Core i5. You can see here. Then BIOS version date here, and you can see also basic board product manufacturing, basic board manufacturing HP, and you can see here also the total physical memory. Installation of physical memory required 8 GB RAM, and also available physical memory 1.03 GB. Also you can see page file, C page file.system. So here you can see the specifications of my computer, and if you want to choose a computer, make sure you follow the following steps, and you can see computer version, size of RAM, CPU size, and so on. And also when you click hardware resources, you can select hardware resources, select it, and when you select component, you can select it, and software you can select. For example, software environment, you can click, you can see here, and when you go to hardware resources, you can select, for example, input and output. Click here, you can see, you see input and output status, okay. Then you can see memory. Also you can see motherboard resources and everything, you can see it, okay. Also when you want to know the size of hard drive, so you can close here and you can click on the computer, go to direct to the computer and click here click the computer, this computer, you can see hard drive. You have what? 2008 GB and what? 684 GB. So you can see also the size of hard drive there, or you can see here. So you can see also MC432. I think you understand how to see the computer size and how to know how to see the size of your computer, speed, capacity for storage, specification of computer. You can see by using this command, light cmd. Go to start menu button, then you can select C, then you select enter, then you select, you write here MC432, press enter, then the pop dialog box can be opened there, and then you can see everything about your computer. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, to comment and subscribe my channel for more videos. I love you so much.